8 waterfalls in 5 hours. All right, here we go. We're on the first trail, headed down to Linville Falls. Gonna try to hit an overlook and maybe also get down to the actual falls themselves. See how it goes. Falls, trying to find the right composition. We got really bright light to deal with. I've got some ND grads and polarizers on. As you can see here, amazing stuff. I'm going to see what I can get. Made it out to Looking Glass Falls. It's our third stop of our waterfall tour today. Trying to get a composition set up here with this log and rock and trying to stay out of the spray. The spray is really bad from the waterfall, if you can tell. I've been having a hard time keeping the lens clear, so hopefully this shot will turn out. I think it's going to be a really good one if I can just keep the spray off the lens and get the settings correct. I'm going with f-stop 22. Probably about I'm not sure exactly on the timing yet. I don't have any filters on it because it's really cloudy. So hopefully, you know, try to get maybe a half a second or something in on exposure. We'll give it a shot. made it to our fourth destination of the day, which is Moore Cove Falls. And we are hitting the trail right now to get down to the falls. Didn't do a whole lot of research on this one, so hope we don't get lost. Right, Phil?
We won't get lost.
All right, Phil's our guide. He'll know how to get us there. So, hoping it's supposed to be a pretty cool waterfall with that you can walk behind with the flood stages right now. Maybe really cool. We'll see. I'm not sure. I've never been here, so hope for the best. We'll see shortly. All right. We have made it to Moore Cove Falls. As you can see behind me here, getting ready to set up my composition. I think I have a pretty good one. Phil is helping me out here, helping me find some compositions. Looks like a awesome picture. Let's see what we can get. So we've got about a little over a half a second. F-stop 22, 100 ISO. Let's see what we get. It's pretty good. So I'm going to try to work my way down a little bit closer to the falls. You can actually get around to the back side and actually get underneath the falls. We're going to try to do some of that too. I think Phil's actually heading back that way now, so see if we can get his adventure back there. Maybe he'll fall in. You going back there, Phil?